Hello and how are you friends? All of you are most welcome in your loving one person family. I am your soul friend, Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me and let us discuss to solve problems. Later I will carry you soon in a journey of new story, secrets to lasting happiness. So now let's go. In the vibrant village of Spain, where the sun always seemed to shine a little brighter, lived the Hawk family. The family was known for the one thing above all, their radiant smiles. The family consisted of Hudson, the father, a kind and hard-working farmer, Sophia, the mother, whose warm laughter filled every corner of their home, and their two children, Garyson and Emma. Despite their humble circumstances, they were the happiest family in the village. But their happiness had not come easily. A few years ago, they had faced one of the hardest times in their lives. The crops had failed due to a drought, and they had barely enough food to eat. Money was tight, and despair had crept into their home. The village elders whispered about the Hawk family losing their famous smile, and the entire village felt the weight of their sorrow. One evening, after another difficult day in the fields, Hudson gathered his family around a small fire in their courtyard. He looked at their tired faces, and for the first time in the months, he saw a flicker of hope in their eyes. It was then that he realized that happiness was not about material wealth or the absence of challenges. It was about how they faced those challenges together. Hudson shared his thoughts with his family that night. We may not have much right now, but we have each other. And that is our greatest wealth. Happiness doesn't come from what we have, but from how we choose to live, how we care for each other, and how we find joy in the smallest things. Inspired by Hudson's words, the family decided to embrace this philosophy. Every morning, Sophia would wake up and prepare a simple breakfast with love, making it feel like a feast. Garrison and Emma would help Hudson in the fields, turning their work into a game, laughing and playing as they went. Even the toughest times, they made sure to find reasons to smile, whether it was sharing stories, singing songs, or simply enjoying each other's company. Slowly their radiant smile returned, and with them a sense of peace and contentment that could not be shaken by the challenges they faced. Their joy became contagious, spreading throughout the village, inspiring others to look at life with a fresh perspective. Years later, the Hawk family had overcome the drought, and their crops flourished once again. But it was not the abundance of harvest that made them happy. It was the lesson they had learned during their toughest times, that true happiness comes from within, from their love for each other, and from finding light even in the darkest moment. On a bright afternoon, the village gathered to celebrate the end of the harvest season. As the Hawk family stood together, smiling at the life they had built, Hudson's words echoed in their heart. Happiness is not a destination, it is a journey we take together as a family. And last, moral of the story is, true happiness is not found in the wealth or external circumstances, but in the love and support of family. It comes from cherishing the small moments, finding joy in togetherness, and choosing to see the light in even the darkest times. Lasting happiness is built on the foundation of strong family bonds and a positive outlook no matter what challenge life brings. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you, goodbye, good luck. I'm your soul fan, Tales and Twist.
I keep dreaming but my dreams keep flying away. A song with fire beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low-key and I'm trying to stop. Goddamn, feeling good. Yeah, but when I'm